Our old kitchen was very small, quite old and dated. It wasn't very functional, didn't have a lot of storage space or bench space. So they were the main things that we really wanted to improve on with the new kitchen. Look, we'd sort of thought about it a bit before we went to see our designer, and we sort of wanted a casual coastal vibe for the kitchen that was going to be good for entertaining, really, with good storage. So we had an idea of what we wanted. So just sort of different textures and sort of light and bright and airy, I think was what we really wanted. My favourite part is definitely the island bench. I love the island bench and the space on it, and how great it is for entertaining. And really, we love the storage and the drawers, just lots of space that's really sort of easy to access, and it's quite functional. Everything's sort of where we need it to be when we're cooking, which is really important. That was really helpful. And the drawers especially, I've got a drawer that I put all my tea in that I actually love. So that's my favourite part. Yeah, the experience of working with Freedom was great for us. The process was quite smooth in terms of the liaising with people through the portal, in terms of the production process. The old laundry was virtually non-existent. It was just like a little box room that all you could fit was a dryer and a washer and a tub. So it had no space at all, not functional in any way. So we really wanted to create some bench space first and foremost to be able to actually do things, as well as some storage as well. Yeah, the brief to the designer was very much in line with the kitchen, because sort of the kitchen in a way, the laundry is a bit of an overflow for the kitchen for us. So it's a laundry stroke butler's kitchen in a way. So we did certainly want the laundry in the kitchen to match. So yeah, we sort of had the same brief, something that was functional, gave us some storage, and bench space were the main things. And again, that kind of light, bright feeling as well.